guys, how is it going? Do you like this bookstore? It's the most magical in the whole city. Mysterious things happen here. Whoa! Look at that book falling from the ceiling. Amazing, right? Let's see what's the book. The Journey to the Center of the Earth. Have you read that story? I haven't. Let's dive in. Oh, it has a lock. I can't open it. Where is the key of that lock? Where is it? Hi, look, on the board, but it's stuck. And look at those words appearing, present simple and present continuous. Wait. I think that is telling me I have to decipher what is the present simple and what is the present continuous to get the key, right? Let's go for it. Let's try it. If I remember right, the present simple and the present continuous are the verb tenses we use to talk about things happening in the present, not in the past or not in the future. The difference between them is that the present simple is the tense we use for habits, facts, situations that happen regularly. On the other hand, the present continuous is the tense we use to talk about the things we're doing right now. For instance, I read many books is something that I do often. And I am reading means I am doing it right now. See the difference? The form also changes a bit, not just the usage. In the present simple, I use the verb in its infinitive form. Can you see? Like that, read. But in the present continuous, I need a form of the verb to be am, is, or are, plus the suffix ing after the verb. See the difference? In the present simple, it's just the verb. I read books. And in the present continuous is I am reading books. Easy, right? But what happens when the personal pronoun changes? Let's try. Instead of I, we are going to use you. That's okay. In the present simple, everything remains the same. You read many books, but in the present continuous, yes, we have to change the form of the verb to be am for are. We cannot say you reading, you are reading, right? Yes. And things get a little bit harder if we go to the third person singular. Remember, personal pronouns such as he, she, or it. In here, the present simple, all verbs with those three personal pronouns need an S or an ES after the verb. For example, she reads many books. And in the present continuous as well, we need to change the form of the verb to be with is, and then we still keep the ing after the verb. So this time we have she is reading books right now. Be careful because the most common mistakes in here are to not remember the S or the ES after the verbs in present simple or to not put the right form of the verb to be with the present continuous. Don't worry, we are going to read the story together and practice these two tenses. Is this enough? Did we get the key? Yes, we have the key. So now we can open the book and ¡wow!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, are you ready to work with us? This is the first worksheet of the book and it talks about the differences between the present simple and the present continuous. But what are they? The present simple is the tense we use to talk about habits, facts, and frequent situations, such as I read books every day, okay? I read books like always, yes? It's a habit, something that I do very frequently. But what about the present continuous? The present continuous is the tense we use to talk about the things happening right now. I am doing English right now. Or in a short future, I am reading books, okay? See the forms. The form of the present simple is very easy. You just have to write the verb in infinitive, and remember that for he, she, the third person singular, we add an S or a ES. Like I play, I read, you play, you read, he or she plays or reads. We need to put the S. But for the present continuous, it's much different. We need the form of the verb to be are, is, and the verb with the ending ing. For example, I am reading now. I am talking now. I am doing English now. I am reading. You are reading. He and she is reading. We need to remember that is for he and she, the third person, and are goes for you, we, and they. And is the very special that goes with I, okay? So let's do the first activity. Find the verbs in the following sentences and tell me, are they present simple or present continuous? Let's go. Okay, I draw, and I'm going to underline the verbs. I draw pictures every afternoon after school. I draw present simple or present continuous. It's infinitive, yes? So it's present simple. And I am going to use two colors, the purple for the present simple and maybe the pink for the present continuous. So I am going to make like a beautiful tick here, like this. Yes, great. It's present simple. Now, they are playing the verb. They are playing, yes, soccer in the yard now. Present simple or continuous? If it has ing and the form of the verb to be are, it's present continuous. So let's go and paint here a tick. Yeah, present continuous. Well done. Then, Mom is cooking dinner in the kitchen today. So we have is cooking. And again, is ing. Mom is cooking dinner in the kitchen today. So this is it, right? We have the present continuous. Then, she dances ballet at the studio on Saturdays. So she dances has the S. And if it has the S and the verb in infinitive, it's present simple. Okay, present simple. Well done. Great. He is riding his bike around the block. He is riding. So we have the verb, the form of the verb to be is and ing. So that means it's present continuous. He is riding. Okay? He's riding his bike around the block. Dogs bark. That's the verb. Dogs bark loudly in the park sometimes. Is the verb in infinitive. The dogs bark. Woof, woof. Loudly in the park. So that means is present simple. Yes, a tick here. Well done. And, oh, sorry, it was here. My mistake, my bad, people. This goes here. Lucky us. The following one will also be present simple. We watch movies. Yes, lucky us. We watch in infinitive movies on Fridays at home. So yes, it's present simple. And finally, the birds are singing. Are, it's the form of the verb to be, singing with ing, right? In a short future or things happening right now. Yes, present continuous. So that's it, guys. Yes, very, very well done. Good job.